Oh yeah! Come on, Nick. Wait for your pitch. Start on deck. Yeah! Oh! Let him breathe! Let him breathe! It's all right. Go for collision.
Good job, Ian.
Good shot, John!
Owners of the real estate, home team. Swing to the first, the ball is dropping for the hit. Dropping for the hit, he's turning two. Nice double. Swings and kills the ball. And a line drive to left field. The ball comes to the cutter. Paul scores an RBI for Mike. Swings and gets a it's a line drive. Wow, what a play. That was a good play. Second base. That was there you go. Yeah, good choice. Oh, it was loaded. The count was loaded. And the bases are loaded. The base is loaded for a J. There you go. That's a good one. Yeah, nobody covering the base.
Okay, good talk. Fuck me. Pick me up.
Right two. Wow, that was close. Base hit for Marcus. Yeah, way to bring it.
Full swing either.
Yeah.
Y'all need a good cameraman. Make sure y'all hire this man right here.
You have my man over there. You hear it from the Rebels. And we're down 6 runs to nothing to the moment. Wow, what a line drives in the middle. Splits the fielders. And that ball is running all over. Nice slide for this game. Otherwise, we go home early. Oh, nice piece of hitting, but that is the best right there. Wow, wide open the throw. Ian goes to second. Ian, make it, Ian. Make it, Ian. Oh, out. She taps it for balls, 1 strike for Doobie. Doobie swings, hits it all the way. Melvin catches it. What a ride he gets. Hitting now. He's not gonna make the same mistake. No sir. No can do. Line drive to the gate. The fences couldn't hold it either. This kid is a pitcher murderer. He swings to the first one. The ball could be dropping, but there is John. The shortstop tracks it and catches it for the 3rd out. We got no copyright for the music playing, but we got the right to watch this at bat. Wow, again. Foul ball. Line drive. He crushed it. Another run for. We got Aldo Dunsky. A strike. He takes that one. He didn't want that one, but he wants this one. Therefore, nobody there. Fair ball. Fair ball. By what? Are you serious? Oh, no. Yeah. It was foul. No, I scored an inch. Foul tip for the throw out. 3 and 2. Simple as that. Makes it with a laser. Tailor-made hit. That was made at home. But don't do that home for the Rebels. Swings and catch. That was gonna be a nice base hit if he landed behind the first baseman. Yeah, the ball and just foul. A lot of talent. Does it really go? They got room. They catches it. Tag and run in his win. 2 outs. Bottom of the 5th. 2 outs. 4 bolts. Nice piece of hitting for pitch.
Oh, shit. I ran into him on purpose. Yo, it's St. Deuce Alexander.
All right!
Hello, one out? Yes.
Every cat just stop to help on a man now. Look back at him. Select it. Pull it up again. Lost my friend, I can't find them. But that ain't nothing, I still see them. No, don't go with them behavior. Right now, tricks going like water. I see me run it over. I want to lean my head on my shoulder. Party time, so don't be sober. Staggering, mad again, triple again. So let me sing again. Oh, we don't have no behavior.
Mel, maybe just me and you got scores?
Nice piece of hitting again. Wow. These guys are doing their best. They're doing their best. They're doing their best. Nice piece of hitting. Base hit. First and second with no outs. First and second. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Foul ball. You got it, Ali. We're ready for this. Yes, we are. 2-2. Swing and a miss. Strike out. That's the way to go down. Trying. We call it trying. You go down trying. That's it. You like it, you do it. And let's strike 3 for nobody. We got Red Ross. Ball. One out. Nice piece of hitting for Ross. Way to go. That's not a winning run, so we're not risking anything. She was ready for another one. Yeah. She was ready for that one. We got Travis with bases loaded and just 1 out. Bases loaded, 1 out for Travis. 2 balls, 1 strike for Travis. Wow, look at the jam they put on him. Yeah, electrifying music for Travis, the very best. 2 balls. Foul ball. You got it, Travis. Look at the music they put for you.
2 strikes.
They got it. There. There you go. That's my ball. That's my swing and a miss. 2 outs.
Your phone.
2 outs. Bases loaded. Cynthia at bat. She swings and taps for foul tip. 2 strikes. 1 ball, 2 strikes.
That wasn't a fence.
1 ball, 2 strikes, and here we go. Swing and a miss, strike 3. That's the ball game. The Bulls are the champions of the regular season. There you go, a lot of celebration for the winners.